What did you learn from last year?
I learned a lot. I mean, I think I grew up a lot. It's the ups and downs. I learned from all of it. It was a good year. I had a lot of fun, and I think I'm a better person. 1 year older. I think I can take that experience into this season and be a lot better.
What did you specifically learn from Sheldon last year?
Oh, Sheldon taught me everything I know about the position. He was a great mentor. He's doing well down in Jacksonville. Excited to see him play again, and he's really taught me a lot about playing defensive tackle.
As you were going through that last year, did you kind of have the expectation you were going to be moved over to DT this year from nose guard?
Yeah. I knew there was a void there, and I knew I had a unique ability to fill it. I believe so. I think that was no surprise. No.
Was that trying to process some of the information Sheldon gave you? Did you just kind of like bank that on the back of your mind and kind of like leave it for January, or did you kind of digest it during the season while you're still trying to live?
Yeah, you have to. I take everything he says, and try to learn from it, try to get better from it. It wasn't easy, in spring ball, and I struggled a little bit, but I think I've gotten a lot better this fall camp, and I'm ready to take that to the season.
What was maybe the biggest, most important piece of advice that he gave you about playing that position?
Just focus on technique. You can't rely on what you can do naturally, big, strong. That doesn't really work at this level. You just have to work your technique and be technique driven in order to be great.
Jerry, do you believe your skill set is probably better suited for that?
I think so. I think what I've been able to do is really good. My natural traits, I think they do lend themselves to this position, and I think I've been able to excel here.
Coach has mentioned that he sees you being much more physical this year. Was there more tentativeness last year, or was it just the fact that as a freshman, there's a huge physical adjustment?
Yeah, I mean, of course, being defensive tackle as a 18-year-old kid is not easy. I think that learning the position and being in there more, that really helps. And I had a great offseason, I think, and I think I've gotten a lot stronger, and that's helped me mold into the player I am now.
Was there any point last season where you felt you hit that proverbial freshman wall? Where
of course, yeah, no doubt. I mean, we play a long season, and I'm telling the freshmen now, like it's coming. Just wait. There's camp wall. There's a lot of walls you have to break through in order to be successful in this game. And I've kind of tried to explain that to all the freshmen now. But yeah, everyone hits the wall, and it's how you get through it and how you adjust, and that's what makes the difference. I think there will be fewer, and further in between because I've had more experience, and I think I've gotten a lot better. I think I'll be better, adjusted and better positioned to break through and be better.